Welcome back to Bookie and Cookie's Comic Club, and today we'll be starting on emotions. Cookie, what emotions will we be doing today? Happy and super happy. Yes, happy and super happy. So here's the face. Happy is this little curved mouth like this, and some eyes. If you want to go more detailed, you can do little things around it and colour them in blue or brown or green. Or you can turn them into glasses by drawing a line between them. Or add freckles. Or basically any other details that you want. Or some hair, whatever. Now moving on to super happy. You'll draw another face, and it's kind of like doing happy, but except you draw a line on the top of the happy face and draw teeth. And there's super happy. Or if you want, you can colour the top two here black, like he lost his top two. Except I lost my bottom two first. But thank you for watching, and come back for our next emotions lesson.